Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be discussing why LaMelo Ball should win the Rookie of the Year award this year in the NBA. As a lifelong NBA fan, I've seen some great rookie campaigns um, from why did I think of Ben Simmons? Darn it. Everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be discussing on why LaMelo Ball should be the Rookie of the Year. So over the years, as me being an NBA fan, I've gotten to see countless great seasons by NBA rookies, from John Morant. I just forgot. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be discussing why LaMelo Ball should win the Rookie of the Year award this year. So, over my lifespan, I've been an NBA fan for as long as I can remember. And over that time period, I've gotten to see some great rookie campaigns like John Morant and Luka Doncic and Ben Simmons and Malcolm Brogdon. All those guys have had great rookie seasons. But their Rookie of the Year campaign isn't as historic as LaMelo Ball. Let me show you why. So, 60 years ago, Wilt Chamberlain won the NBA Rookie of the Year award. He led his rookie class in all major statistical categories for most of the year and ended up finishing the year in the lead of all statistical categories. Well, LaMelo has done that same thing over halfway through the season. Just about 2 weeks ago, when LaMelo went out with an injury, Anthony Edwards passed him for points per game by 2 points per game. And Anthony Edwards is doing it inefficiently. So what we're seeing from LaMelo Ball is the greatest rookie campaign we've seen as far as an all-round game perspective since Wilt Chamberlain. And he's one of the greatest NBA players of all time. Now, as I mentioned just a second ago, LaMelo has been doing it efficiently. So he's not only the second best scorer in this draft, out of all the rookies who've played over 20 minutes a game, LaMelo is the most efficient player by far. He leads his rookie class in effective field goal percentage. So for some of you guys who don't know what effective field goal percentage is, it's if you add up their field goal percentage from the field, free throw line, and 3-point line, and you combine them and average them. That's what effective field goal percentage means. So basically, it's the best way to measure who's the most efficient scorer. And in this rookie class, it's LaMelo. Now, I previously mentioned Anthony Edwards. He's LaMelo's one true competition to win the Rookie of the Year award. He's currently averaging 18 points a game, which sounds really impressive. And don't get me wrong, it is. But he's doing it at a field goal percentage of 40%. Now, mind you, that's not his effective field goal percentage. That's his field goal percentage. That would rank towards the bottom of the NBA in that category. So he's not doing it efficiently. He's also playing for the second worst team in the NBA right now. So if you really think about it, would you rather vote for somebody who is scoring efficiently, putting up historic numbers, and is on the eighth best team in the East? Or would you rather vote for somebody who's scoring a little bit more but doing it very inefficiently and plays for the second worst team in basketball, so they're going to get more touches? That's up to you guys. I definitely know which one I'm going with, and it's not Anthony Edwards. Thank you so much for your time. Here's some of my works cited, and on the next slide we'll have my image credits. I really hope you guys think about what I've said today and really hope you go out there and vote for LaMelo Ball.